She looks in the mirror, sees a story unfold, lines of laughter, dreams untold.
In this video, beautiful babes, we'll be talking about how to tighten loose skin after pregnancy and weight loss. Here you'll find I have my nice scrub storage jar that I keep handy at all times. Now, once I run out of one scrub, I'm steadily mixing up another. And now we're going to start off with what we can do to help with loose and sagging skin. We're going to start by an exfoliating scrub. Get an exfoliating scrub or make your own. Today, that's exactly what we're going to do. Scrub your belly with it each time you get in the shower. This helps to improve circulation and regenerate new, healthier, more elastic skin. We're using today coconut oil, cacao extract, shea butter, coffee arabica oil, grapeseed oil, almond oil, olive oil, and dead sea salt. This is what's going to take care of those areas of concern with loose skin. Now, I'm not using any real rhyme or reason to the ingredients. I'm just simply putting in what I think is a great proportion for each of these items because they're all vital in this. So we're going to start off talking about the ingredients that I'm adding in here. First of all, coconut oil as a skin tightening treatment. All it takes is just a little bit. I added maybe a couple spoonfuls of it, and it's great for massaging into the skin. It goes deep into your skin where it can do a lot of good. Then we have cacao contains omega-6 fatty acids, which are beneficial for your skin. Not only taking it internally, but also applying it topically. It'll make your complexion look and feel plump, dewy, and hydrated. Shea butter contains high concentrations of fatty acids and vitamins that make it ideal for softening your skin. Also, it has great anti-inflammatory and healing properties. It'll help to condition and tone your skin. Coffee arabica oil is great for skin. It will help with tightening and wrinkles and fine lines, etc. Then we have grapeseed oil, which will help to boost collagen. It contains vitamin E, and that's hydrating, and it's also an anti-inflammatory. Almond oil in here is wonderful. It helps to plump and firm the skin, and it'll reduce the appearance of any wrinkles in the skin. So being that almond oil is a gentle exfoliator, it'll help to remove dry, dead skin cells and reveal the smooth, glowing skin underneath. And then one we're all familiar with is olive oil. It contains antioxidants like vitamins A and E that have anti-aging benefits and also helps to keep your skin moisturized. And for sure, it is a natural oil that will help to tighten loose skin. Now I just take the oils and heat them in the microwave for a moment. Now we're using dead sea salt in the scrub, but you can also soak in sea salt, which will smooth out and firm your skin. But the dead sea salt will help exfoliate dead skin, revealing newer looking skin. Just do this scrub a couple of times a week, and this will certainly help sagging skin. Now this scrub is complete. All you have to do is mix it well. Store this in your bathroom. Every time you take a shower, it's great to do it, but at least 2 to 3 times per week. And there is the scrub all ready to go. Exfoliation, exfoliation, exfoliation. Now the second thing after exfoliation is to take a collagen supplement. Collagen supplements support skin elasticity. Healthy, hydrated, elastic skin will fare a whole lot better throughout and after pregnancy and weight loss. Taking collagen has been known to reduce stretch marks and inhibit loose skin post-pregnancy and even after weight loss. The one I have here is Rivalus Collagen Peptides. You'll find the link in the description, and it's my Amazon affiliate link. The third thing is to moisturize. Now, when I'm not making my own concoctions, two of my favorite lotions is Avon Moisture Therapy and this collagen body cream moisturizing, tightening cellulite lotion that I get on Amazon. Use a lotion on your skin that contains collagen. Now, the Avon doesn't necessarily, but it's definitely moisturizing to help with dryness of the skin. But this lotion here contains collagen as well as vitamins E, A, C, and K that'll help firm up loose skin. This is the Collagen Body Cream Moisturizing, Tightening, Cellulite Cream. It improves elasticity, plump, sagging skin, etc., etc. This is awesome. And then finally, if you've lost weight, when it comes to losing weight, lose weight slowly, because if you don't, and you lose it too quickly, you may just end up with even more loose skin. It takes time to regain your skin elasticity. I know that happened to me a few years back when I lost a dramatic amount of weight using apple cider vinegar, and oh my goodness, my skin just couldn't keep up with the loss, and I had more loose skin than ever. So take your time in losing weight. And yes, beautiful babes, I wish I had known all of that information when I was having my kids. How about that? How about that? Girl will be snatched and I'm already attached, but you know, it's all good. Thank you so much for visiting today, hanging out with me again. Hope you found out something new, not only for, after you have a baby, but listen, if you're just trying to tighten up because of weight loss or just trying to tighten up, here's a good way to do it, okay? And I hope you enjoyed today's video. Hope you got something out of it, because I know I did. And I'm working on this stuff constantly, y'all. And it takes that. Maintenance is all about that. I know I always get the question on, what do I do for skincare? What do I do for this? But you watch my videos, heck, this is what I'm doing. This is what I'm doing every single freaking day. It's nonstop, 24/7. Absolutely. Beautiful babes, let me let you go, because I could ramble on forever. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. But please make sure you share your girl with your world. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Find me one day. Oh, I never knew that you would.